Hello, digital realm. I am the professor of prompt, and today we are prompt engineering. In the first video, we learned the basics: who it is, what to do, how to respond. In the second video, we added clarity. Persona sets perspective, constraints control output, examples lock in style. This is where prompt engineering actually starts. This is where the line between AI and your own thinking starts to merge. Up to this point, the AI is still trying to figure out what you want. I'm sure you've asked AI something before, read the answer, and thought, I didn't want it to do that. But if it wasn't in your prompt, the AI had no way of knowing. That's not an AI problem, that's a clarity problem. That's not the AI being lazy, it's doing exactly what you asked, you just didn't define your reality. Prompt engineering is about removing the assumptions. In episode 2, we had this prompt. You are a registered dietary aide working with athletes. Create a 3-day nutrition plan for a vegetarian endurance athlete. Use a table format. Include estimated calorie counts for each meal. Avoid soy-based products. This is clear, but it still leaves gaps. Let's modify it and go over the changes. If you don't want vague food, you have to say that, so we ask for specifics. Specify exact fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts. Do not use generic terms like fruit or nuts. Now the AI can't guess. Next, we define our environment. Where you live changes what's realistic. Assume access to large urban grocery store, use commonly available produce year-round, avoid specialty or high-defined ingredients. This limits the solution space to the real world. Now we add timing. Assume training sessions occur in the morning, structure meals to support pre-training fuel and post-training recovery. Include recovery snacks where appropriate. Now the plan adds meals intelligently. We have a very well populated plan, and it's even giving us, some more suggestions here at the end. When you combine all of this, the prompt becomes personal. Now the AI isn't filling in blanks. It knows what you value, it knows what to optimize for, and it knows what to avoid. This is no longer a generic answer. This is what prompt engineering actually means. You're not making the AI smarter, you're making your intent clearer. This is how prompts become personal. Key takeaways from this video. Prompting tells AI what to do. Clarity tells AI how to behave. Prompt engineering tells AI how to decide. Better prompts don't replace your thinking, they capture it. In our next video, we will be learning about reusing locked-in prompts for work or personal use. I'm Professor of Prompt, and I'm teaching you 1-minute tricks every day.